there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me again today. Today is the third video I've made in a series focusing on the Awesome Otters stamp set. It's this one here. It's a free stamp set in the celebration brochure. So for every $90 you spend with Stampin' Up between now and the end of March, you can you can choose a free item from the celebration brochure, and this adorable stamp set is one of those ones you can choose. So this is a really easy card to make, just involves a little bit of stamping and quite a bit of colour. So I've used Gorgeous Grape, Bermuda Bay, Fluty Flamingo and some crushed curry in here, and I've used all the otter stamps in the set actually, and actually I've used nearly all of them except for that It's Birthday Time sentiment. So I've used a piece of Bermuda Bay cardstock as my base, and then thick with basic white for the mat. So let's just get started with the stamping, I think. Bringing in one of the stamps, this one here. We're going to start with Bermuda Bay. I'm going to start with the little guy in the middle here. So that'll get me sort of my positioning for, whoops, whoa, that could have gone badly. Let me just fix that. Here we go. Now we're right. But there are two sides to every cardstock, right? So there he is. And I'm only going to do one of that colour. And let's clean him off. And I'm going to bring in my crushed curry as my next colour. And coming up here. Now this is just very random stamping, so you know, where you want to stamp is up to you. I'm just sort of going with a little bit of a theme here, but really again it's up to you. That's my crushed curry. I may need to put another one in there somewhere, but let's just swap that one out now, and I'm going to come in with my Gorgeous Grape and this little guy here, this one holding his little fish. And let's bring in Gorgeous Grape and bring him right across the front here, and let's come in with another Gorgeous Grape over here. We have enough room to put a hat on him, and I've just realized I've left out a color. I should have Old Olive in here as well, so I'll put him again down there because he's very cute. I'm going to bring in who am I going to bring in this time? I think we'll bring in this little cute guy swimming. And we might bring him in with a little bit of Fluty Flamingo, I think. Just a little bit there. And why not a little bit over here. And let me get my Old Olive, because I've completely forgotten to put Old Olive in here. Just going to pause the video while I grab that ink pad out. Alright, here I am back with my Old Olive. And just clean off another stamp here. Right, and pop a little bit in there, and maybe another one just in the corner over here, and we might come back in with our Old Olive. I think very important to clean your stamp set in between each one for this particular style of colourful stamping. Very important. I think I'm pretty happy with that. Right, let's go and get these little cute little hats on. So let's bring in crushed curry for this one. Got a little bit of a gap there that I didn't really plan on having, but that's okay. Another crushed curry down here, I think. And let's go with a little bit of Bermuda Bay in this one, and some Bermuda Bay here. Whatever colours you want to use obviously is entirely up to you. I just like, clean that one off, and I think think I might put a little bit of Flirty Flamingo. Yeah, just go that way. Huh, that's cute. And another one there. Why not? A little bit more colour. And I think another old olive. Yeah, so you can use any old colours that you like. I just wanted something a bit bright and a bit fun to go here. Yeah, there you go. A little bit of random stamping with using all those little cute otters. Now I've already gone ahead and embossed in our white embossing powder and heat embossed on a piece of Bermuda Bay, and then what I'm going to do is bring in some of the Baker's Twine Essential. I'm going to use the white, and let's just wrap that around a couple of times. Oh, let's go 3. What the heck? Live dangerously, eh? Okay, finish that one off. A bit of Stampin' Seal on there to adhere. And this little guy will go on the top. Just straighten that one up. Oh, you are utterly awesome. How cute is that sentiment? You are utterly awesome. I think that's very cute. That's better. And a little bow to finish, of course. This is a great way if you are a new stamper and you have just a few colours of ink. It's a good way to experiment with your ink colours, and also just to get good practice with your stamping, because with a little cute little stamp set like this, you really can't go wrong. Anything you know, it's so cute. Doesn't matter if your stamping is not 100% perfect. And just remember, there's 2 sides to each piece of cardstock. You can always flip it over. Here we go. Here we are. And, oh, I've nearly forgot one very final, very important point. Let's adhere it to our cardstock before I forget to do. I don't use Bermuda Bay very often, and I don't know why, because it's really such a beautiful colour of paper, and yeah, I should use it more often. But if you're looking for a pop of colour, then this most certainly would be a great card for a small child, but equally, you know, it's a fun card for an adult as well. Okay, put that on there. Right, now, oops. And also, I've got a little bit of bling on here, as you can see, and I used the In Colour gems for this, and just to give that final little bit of sparkle to a very colourful card. So this is optional. You don't have to, you know, go with using any of these. I just wanted that little bit of a little bit of colour, a little bit of extra colour. Guess it probably didn't really need it, but you know, what the heck. Why not, hey? I'm going to use pretty much each one of them colours. And put one more on. I'll use that one there, just the even evergreen. Just there. Here we go. And there you have it. A cute fun card featuring the free item and celebration, the Awesome Otters stamp set. I hope you have a great day, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Bye.